In this Bluehost tutorial, I'm going to be going in depth on Bluehost pricing so that you can have a complete understanding of how much Bluehost costs and so that you know what to expect. I'll be covering the Bluehost hosting pricing, the domain name pricing, as well as the renewal pricing of Bluehost hosting and the renewal of domain names with Bluehost. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 75% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Bluehost tutorial, going over Bluehost pricing and how much Bluehost costs. If you haven't already signed up with Bluehost web hosting, the first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost, and so you can take advantage of the Bluehost discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting page. Click the View Plans button. It'll take you to the Bluehost web hosting plans. You'll see you'll get Bluehost hosting for as low as $1.99 a month with the basic plan. The basic plan renews at $7.99 a month after the term you choose. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for $3.99 a month and renews at $13.99 a month. The online store plan you'll get for $7.45 a month and the plan renews at $18.99 a month. The Pro plan you'll get for $9.99 a month and the plan renews at $20.99 a month. With all the Bluehost plans, you get a free domain name as long as you choose a 1-year or 3-year term. Now let's cover the hosting terms and pricing totals for each of the Bluehost plans. The basic plan you get for a total of $23.88 for the 1-year term. If you select a 3-year term, you get the basic plan for $178.20. The monthly plan costs $15.99 a month and will cost you the most money out of all the terms. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for a total of $47.88 for the 1-year term. If you select the 3-year term, you'll get the Choice Plus plan for $268.20. The monthly option costs $27.99 a month. If going with the monthly option for the Choice Plus plan, you'll see the CodeGuard Basic add-on has been added and isn't included with the monthly option. It comes free with the 1-year or 3-year term. You can click the trash can icon on the extras if you don't want them. The online store plan you'll get for a total of $89.40 for the 1-year term. If you select a 3-year term, you get the online store plan for $466.20. The monthly option costs $32.99 a month, and with the monthly option, you'll see the free add-ons you can get with the 1-year or 3-year plans come at an extra cost. You can click the trash can icon on the extras if you don't want them. The Pro plan you'll get for a total of $119.88 for the 1-year term. If you select the 3-year term, you'll get the Pro plan for $682.40. The monthly option costs $34.99 a month, and with the monthly option, you'll see the CodeGuard Basic add-on has been added and isn't included with the monthly option. It comes free with the 1-year or 3-year term. You can click the trash can icon on the extras if you don't want them. Now let's cover the domain name pricing. When you first sign up with a Bluehost account, you get a free domain name for the first year. After the first year, the domain renewal can range in pricing depending on the domain extension you go with. Some of the most common and popular domain extensions are .com, .net, and .org. The .com, .net, and .org domain extensions will renew at $19.99 a year. The other top-level domain extensions renew at $21.99 a month. Country code top-level domains renew as low as $17.99 a year, but varies on the country code domain extension you go with. New generic top-level domains renew as low as $13.99 a month, but varies on the domain extension you go with. That is my Bluehost tutorial going over the Bluehost pricing and how much Bluehost web hosting costs to purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost web hosting tutorial videos.